The New Rain Hotel. What determines a beautiful place for you? A place where you will enjoy eating good food. For me, it is beautiful exteriors and very warm and intimate, cozy interiors. Upscale. I saw this hotel on TikTok being hyped by many people, and I said, oh wow, this is such a beautiful place. I must experience it. So come along today as I take you to see if it is really worth the hype. Welcome. Hi guys. So we are currently at the New Rain, the New Rain Hotel with these girls. This place looks rich. Ni rich man. Yeah. Ridgerton Garden. Can I zoom? This is the hotel. Judging from the beautiful green exterior with all these flowers, we knew that inside will be better. Kwenda. Nakasmat. We are at the entrance. This is the New Rain Hotel. The entrance eluded excellence, and before long, we were invited in by the security guard who showed us in and told us that we need to sign in so that we can proceed. Finally, we were ready to see what this beautiful green and ambience place had in store for us. We walked around feeling so good about it and just happy to be just in a peaceful place. There are birds everywhere. So cool. So we are currently inside the New Rain Hotel. It is so beautiful. This is Maimuna Kalela. You can subscribe to her channel. And then this is Lynn. She doesn't have a YouTube. Yeah, so it is so beautiful. The New Rain Hotel. We could not resist the beauty of this place, and so, as natural, we decided to take some photos, which took a while, but then they were beautiful and worth the time. Those are my girls. It is currently the rainy season, that is why the water looks so brown, but normally it is not, from what I've seen.
Msishtuke roho. Google Maps. Acha niweke watu.
From this you can tell that when the water is clear, it is usually so beautiful. From the hanging nests and just everything, it looks so
Si maji ingekuwa
good.
safi. Nyinyi ndio hao.
After a while of waiting and listening to the cool instrumental music, disclaimer, it is not live. We were finally brought the cutlery, meaning at least the food was almost ready and we were still enjoying the beautiful view. You can also come to work here online.
Wasichana.
Lynn and I ordered fries with fish fingers, which was served with a little bit of salad. Maimuna, on the other hand, ordered fries and beef sausages. They were both at $9.50, like $9.50 per plate. Yeah. While we were finishing up, it started raining, and yes, it looks beautiful, but you can't sit here while it's raining. Yes, you can, because the water does not get in, but it was windy, so yeah, the waiter came to pick us up to take us back in, and that is cool.
Nikupeleke. Naona Maimuna kwa giza. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, we are currently leaving the new rain and it is raining. The new rain hotel. Yeah, this is Lynn here and then Maimuna is I don't know where. Hapana. Yeah. So yes, Maimuna is here. So we are now going home. It is currently around 8. Yeah. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe. Tumesimama kwa lights. Pietu. Sasa mbona naingia kwa matawi? Night time. Rain. Rainy rain.
So in my honest opinion, the place is very beautiful, very cool to hang out. But guys, the prices, they are too high. I don't know, it has the prices for maybe a 4-star hotel. Yeah, but the food is just basic, somehow basic. Yeah, anyway, so that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video, to subscribe and to share. See you next time. Bye.